So what are the most commonly abused drugs by teens aged 12 to 17? There are several ways to look at the available data, and each one will give you slightly different answers. One way to explore this question is to look at first-time users on a typical average day. Here, alcohol ranks number 1, followed by marijuana, then cigarettes, then prescription pain pills. If we look at all users, which would include regular users, cigarettes are king, followed by marijuana, then alcohol, then inhalants like Sharpies and computer duster. How about prevalence of drugs used among high school seniors? Here, marijuana rules, followed by prescription pills like Adderall and Vicodin. Alcohol wasn't mentioned in this study, but I can tell you that it's right up there with marijuana. The good news is that illicit drug use other than marijuana is dropping slightly. The bad news is that marijuana is on the rise, and it seems like teens are seeing it as less dangerous. This may be due to new state laws legalizing marijuana use. Some teens feel that if a drug is legal, it must be safe. However, remember that today's weed is much stronger and much more dangerous than the marijuana of a few decades ago. You may have noticed that I haven't mentioned drugs like crack cocaine, methamphetamine, or heroin. They certainly are being used, and the actual number of using teens is around 1% per substance. With that said, we're talking about a tremendous number of kids affected by these super dangerous substances, as is evidenced by the recent tragic deaths of DuPage County residents from heroin.